Good morning and warm welcome to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about endowing renewable energy source for touchscreen fabrics through solar fabrics technology. I have chosen an existing innovation which needs further improvements to gain market recognition. The product chosen is touchscreen fabrics. In the future of work fashion, data is the new black. The clothes we wear to work will be sensor embedded and connected, monitoring stress levels, reminding us of appointments, alerting us and others when there is important work to be done. Project Jacquard is the latest gambit from Ivan Poparev, the legendary interaction designer. Designed within Google's advanced technology and projects, Project Jacquard gives textile manufacturers the ability to impregnate their cloth with a new kind of braided conductive thread. Unlike regular conductive thread, like the kind used in various touchscreen enabled gloves, this thread comes in any color and can be used in any existing industrial loom or machine. When coupled with a small Bluetooth controller running on a standard watch battery kept in a dedicated pocket, it will give any garment or piece of cloth the ability to pair with other gadgets and operate like a touchscreen. Levis partnered with Google and Jacquard to create a touchscreen smart jeans. Levis's VP of Innovation, Paul Dillinger, says that the reason Jacquard is so exciting is that it will allow Levis customers to bridge their digital and physical lives in a really tactile, pleasing way. So Levis introduced a pair of jeans where you can invisibly control media playback on your smartphone, silence an incoming call, adjust your home smart lights, send simple messages to friends, and more, all without pulling out your phone just by tapping and swiping on the fabric. This will be very helpful during driving and busy situations. Moving on to innovation needs and drawbacks for above product, smart fabrics are wonderful invention and innovation for this trending world. They provide wide variety of features and applications in consideration with safety concerns during driving and other important activities. The major drawback of the product is usage of use and throw batteries for working of sensors. This annoys customers every time when they try to change or replace the battery. And these replaceable batteries contribute to water and air pollution. When depleted, they end up in landfills where they decay and leak. As these batteries corrode, their chemicals soak into soil and contaminate groundwater and surface water. For the above issue, utilizing solar fabrics would be a better backup solution. Solar radiation is available all over the planet, so why not generate your own energy wherever required? Imagine that besides producing solar power at a fixed location, you could also do it while on the move through your own clothing. Researchers are developing solar fabrics with a vision of including solar power in each fiber. The solar filaments can be embedded into your t shirts, winter coats, or any other clothing. Solar cells manufacturing companies are also working specifically on the US Army project with a vision to create solar powered robotic tents. There are several areas where researchers have attempted to combine solar fabric and solar panels, which include building facades that provide both shade and power, awnings that lighten up streetlights, and curtains that eliminate power consumption from the grid. Moving on to benefits of solar fabrics. Benefits of solar fabrics include generation of solar energy when you are in motion or travel. The solar cells and filaments in the apparel will help to keep body warmer in cold conditions. Power your phone during adventures and provide energy for needs while someone travel. With solar costs continuously falling, it's no more unlikely to imagine a future where almost everything it will be powered by free solar, the sun. Here, I have created a cluster for newly developed solar touchscreen fabric. It is created to scale out the new tech. The necessity for forming the clusters are due to their advantages. Clusters are the geographic concentration of interconnected companies and institutions in a particular field. Cluster increases productivity and operational efficiency. Clusters facilitates commercialization and new business formation along with enabling innovations. Clusters also reflects the fundamental importance to productivity and innovation of linkage and spillovers across firms and associated institutions. In the cluster, the solar fabric side displays its requirements and needs to develop the product, and the touchscreen fabric side also shows the same. And there is the outsourcing side, which displays the manufacturing side of the fabric that includes raw material procurement, yarn manufacturing process, weaving technology, and manufacturing technology to develop base fabric. Then this outsourced material will be combined with Google's touchscreen technology and solar fabrics to create a better end product called solar touchscreen fabrics. This is the end product. Next is adoption of solar touchscreen fabrics. Technology adoption is a term that refers to the acceptance, integration, and use of new technology in society. The process follows several stages, usually categorized by the groups of people who who use the technology. For instance, innovators represents the very first developers of a technology, and laggard represents individuals who does not adopt new technologies. Adoption of new technologies requires certain amount of time and effort. Adoption of new product can be increased by considering culture, price, and surroundings. The plan is to launch the product in India. So understanding the country's tradition and culture is very important. Manufacturing the fabric with eco-friendly raw materials and procedures attracts most of the people, since their tradition is usage of organic materials like linen and khadi, which is eco-friendly and low cost. The other important factor is price. India is a country with all class of people, from rich people to very poor people. So manufacturing the product at low cost penetrates most of the family members. Now moving on to attributes of newly developed fabric. As the new product is developed by merging the Google's touchscreen fabric and solar fabrics, the attributes of the end products include solar cells providing the energy for sensors by eliminating the use and throw batteries. You can connect your mobile phone with fabric and power it up through solar energy during the travel. Solar energy acts as source for touchscreen fabric in order to access the messaging and calling features without touching the phone. These are my references. Thank you. If you have any questions, kindly reach me out.